When we start a new position, we focus on our boss and we focus on our staff, but we rarely focus on our peers. It's really important to focus on our peers because we're going to get a lot of support from them by doing that. And often we get our own goals and objectives met, at least partially. So when you start a position, I really encourage you to meet with your peers and conduct a needs assessment to find out what their goals are, what their strategic goals are, and what their needs are in terms of you supporting them and helping them get there. Often goals are intertwined, as you know, and the sooner you sit down with them, you meet with them, you connect with them, you build that rapport and that long-term uh, connectivity, the better outcome you're going to have, the better outcome they're going to have, and probably you're going to get a lot of support in terms of your career overall and your trajectory in terms of growth.